I'm Kimmy.
And I'm Kari, and in today's video we actually got a request to do a Pack With Me video on our next vacation.
We are going to Disney World!
So, come pack with us!
Alright everybody, welcome to our packing video. Today I've already started. I've got my jeans and my yoga pants on this side. And I wanted to show you guys some of our Christmas shirts that we got. We've got the Disney Cruise Line Spirit jersey, Christmas edition for our trip. Okay, and then the next few shirts I'm going to show we got on Etsy. And maybe we can link those below. We've got a Joy to the World shirt. So I have that one and this one that says Home for the Holidays with the castle. And then for those shirts I got this at Kohl's, and we got a flannel shirt to go over. Another shirt we got off Etsy for Animal Kingdom Day is this one. It says Rocking Around the Christmas Tree. Look how cute! So we got the Wally and Eve Christmas lights. This one's gonna be my PJ shirt for the trip. Another shirt we got off Etsy, and this one is I'm gonna wear at Hollywood Studios. Then we've got this one I've worn before. I've got my Lion King shirt for the second day in Animal Kingdom. And then we've got, I always bring extra shirt. Here's my Rapunzel shirt that I've worn before. And then I've got my Star Wars Darth Vader long sleeve from the cruise that I'm gonna bring.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some of the shirts that I have packed. And some of them you've already seen because Kimmy has them too, but we're going to wear them on different days. But let's start with my favorite Spirit jerseys. So we've got Monsters University. This is for Hollywood Studios. Got my Merry Christmas Spirit jersey. It says Merry Christmas on the back. That's for Christmas Day. We've got my, what was this, the Arendelle one. Got my Walt Disney World Spirit jersey with the blue. And then we've got this one that we actually got at Walmart one time when we went down. And it just says Disney across. And then some of the shirts I have. This one is for Animal Kingdom. Just says adventure. It's not very Disney, but you know, we like travel and adventure, so the Animal Kingdom. And then we've got Have a Wally Jolly Christmas!
How adorable is that?
We got this off of Etsy. Also got this off of Etsy. Any of the shirts, we'll try to link below at least what the shop name was. So if you guys want to find them. And then this one is for Hollywood Studios. You guys, look at it. It says Cookies for Jack Jack. So cute. And then we've got, just want to show you guys my socks. One of my students gave me these, so I've got Mike and Sully and Woody and Sadness. Lots of Pixar characters.
Okay, so next up is our mask, and you know that Disney requires masks now. So I've got 2 Disney Christmas masks. We've got some Magic Kingdom masks. Got my Rapunzel, the characters, and Peter Pan. Then we wanted to get some for Animal Kingdom. So leave in the comments down below, if you're going to Disney, would you try to get a mask to match each park? Or are we just the only ones that wanted to match? Then we've got Mickey for Around the World for Epcot. And then I've got a Darth Vader mask for Hollywood Studios.
Okay, so these are some of my masks. We've got Sleeping Beauty. Got Mickey going around the world. Got Mickey Mouse, different genres of Mickey Mouse. I've got my Jungle Book one, Christmas one that you guys probably seen. Got the sidekick one with different Disney sidekicks on it. And then we've got more Mickey going around the world. We've got Chip and Dale. My Disney food one. Another Christmas mask. Mickey Mouse. And then I've got my Marvel mask. Okay, so since Kimi and I wear glasses, in our masks we've had to sew these pockets inside, and we just slide a pipe cleaner in there. It helps with the fogging issue for us. So we're bringing a little sewing kit with us just in case we have to fix these pockets, extra pipe cleaners, all that good stuff for the mask. And we're also going to be bringing some detergent so we can hand wash our masks. And then after I'm done washing them, we can hang them up on our hanger, because I don't really want to hang my masks up on, you know, other things in the room. So I'm gonna bring a little hanger. You can fit like 3 of them on there, and they can just dry and then wear them again. So one last thing with the face masks is we made a face mask lanyard so we could hang our face masks down, so we don't have to put it on a table or anything like that while we're at Disney. So this string here is actually fabric binding, and just folded it in half. And then this button right here is actually from a brand badge clip, and we just took the clip part off of it without breaking this hole here, and we just put the string through the hole, and then the button, you can just interchangeably change out your masks, and then you're good to go for the day.
Alright, in my bag for the parks, I've got my own little bottle of hand sanitizer. This is the spray kind, and that way we can spray it on the handles of rides and then use it right after, of course. We've got our magic bands, I got my camera, I've even got a raincoat in the bottom of this bag. Okay, and then last but not least is the toiletry bag. I have really enjoyed the ones that hang up now, especially on cruise line. But anyways, got our toiletry bag, I'm gonna hang it up. And then as you can see, I can't really fold mine back together, obviously, because I got too much stuff in there. So what I do is I lay it flat on top of my suitcase like this, and then it just can close right up. Okay, so one more thing I forgot to tell you guys I was packing is I hate the paper straws. So I'm bringing my own reusable straw, its own little baggie, and it's kind of like the rubbery kind, so it can just bend right up and go in my little bag for the park.
Okay guys, so first and foremost, Kimi and I always bring a folder when we travel, and inside the folder we get the ones with the prongs, and we put sheet protectors in it. Usually it's got, like, if it were flying, we have our tickets in here, or hotel reservations, anything we need we put in our folder. So far for this trip is just our schedule of what day we're doing each park and any reservations that we have. So we always bring a folder when we travel for all of the documents. Okay, and then in this bag I've got all of my electronics. I know a lot of people like seeing what kind of electronics people bring, so I'll show you guys what's inside. Alright, so these are some of the electronics we have for our camera. This is just my gear. Kimi's got pretty much the same thing. We've got our camera strap here that I use sometimes. We just used this on our last cruise. Really enjoyed having that just as extra. We've got just an extra like phone cord here, just an extra USB cord. We've got these 2 chargers. This one came with the camera, and that just holds 1 battery, but it's only got the plug here. And then this one is a double charger, and it's got a USB. And then we've got, this is the My Charge, you know, that you can bring in the park with you. Kind of like those fuel rod things. Just charge it on the go. Kimi just got me this, and it holds 6 things at a time, so we can charge a lot of things at once. So I'm excited to try this out. This will be the first trip that I'm using it on. And then this is what I used to use. It was just a double plug, and you just plug it into the wall, and then you can put 2 USBs in it. So I'm bringing that. And then we've got lots of batteries and lots of memory cards, and of course the camera that I'm holding. And I'll show you guys. Let me untwist it real quick. And then we've got our handheld tripod here.
Okay, another packing trick that I have is you can get one of these pill cases. If you have pills or jewelry or both, I like to use it for like allergy pills and stuff. And then if you have any leftover spots, you can put your jewelry one in each so that they don't get tangled up. So I've got my ring here, and I've got in there.
Alright, so Kimi and I don't wear much jewelry, but I thought I'd show you these 2 rings that I'm bringing. Got my Mickey Disney ring. We got this one off of Etsy. And then I've got my wave ring, and we got this off of Plunder, and I will put that in the description below so that when I wear them, I have my waves of Disney.
Okay, so after Christmas last year, we went down to the Disney store near us, and they had these there, and they were only $3. So we are definitely going to be bringing these with on this trip. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed packing with us, and we thought today would be a great day to start off our subscriber shout out. This was actually done by Miss Allie from Alleyways, and we love her family. We love the community she has on her channel, and she keeps telling us to do the subscriber shout out. So we are going to give our first shout out to you, Allie. Yep, this one's for you.
So thank you so much, Allie, just for all your kind words, your comments, just for encouraging us and supporting us with our videos. Thank you for getting your family to watch with you.
Thank you for this idea to get our subscribers involved, and we will see you next time. Bye, travelers.
What do you guys like better? Bye or bye, travelers. Either way, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.